Hi everyone, it's Mai and welcome to my kitchen. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。On today's episode, I will show you how to make the egg omelet that is used as the filling in traditional sushi. This is known as Tamagoyaki in Japanese. A multi-layered thick omelet log will be cooked in the special rectangular pan. This is a pan made from copper. Copper has high heat conductivity, so you can cook eggs evenly and achieve fluffiness. Sushi chefs usually use copper pans. This is a popular pan widely available for home cooking. You can easily find this rectangular pan on online shops. Let's get started. Let's make the egg mixture. I have 3 eggs in my mixing bowl. I will add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, half the teaspoon of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Beat the eggs, sugar, salt, and mirin in the mixing bowl. Grease the pan with vegetable oil and put it over medium-low heat. Take about 1/4 cup of egg mixture, pour it into the hot pan. Tilt the pan to spread the mixture. You want the mixture to cover the entire space of the pan. With a pair of chopsticks, pick up the edge furthest from you and roll it forward, forming a little log. Now push the omelette to opposite side of the pan. Rub oil-soaked paper towel over the bottom of the pan. Pour another 1/4 cup of mixture into the pan. Lift up the roll and tilt the pan so the egg mixture slides under the roll. Let it set for a few seconds and then roll the omelette forward with your chopsticks. Push the roll back and repeat with remaining egg mixture. I will cut the egg omelet for sushi rolls. Cut the roll in half lengthwise. Then cut each half into 4 strips for a total of 8 strips. This egg omelet is used in sushi rolls as well as sliced and served cold in lunch boxes. If you want to know how to make sushi rolls, please watch my previous YouTube videos. I have pasted the link in the description. Having a rectangular pan helps, but you can make the log in a round non-stick pan by trimming the edges. Whether you have a rectangular pan or not, I encourage you to try this recipe. On this channel, I will share about Japanese home cookings, Japanese culture, and local life events from Tokyo. If you find the video informative, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching Miss Wagashi TV. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!